Good morning, my Kati. Me and Tata is doing exercise this morning. Tay say good morning to Kati. Iba, the time difference. He is awake. Tayo, good morning.
Good morning.
Say what? What you going to say to Kati?
Huh?
What are you going to say to Kati?
I exercise early in the morning. Para di
Are you not going to say anything to Kati like salamat?
salamat for your very good friendship.
Ay, Kati, Tatay said.